हाँ वही बोलना है सर को, लतीफ सर को। सर 10th का भी कोरोना पूरे जने पूछ रहे, बहुत अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं आप। ओके Good afternoon, everybody. Yesterday we learned a locus. So today is the day 2 session. Here in 1B, I'm going to teach transformation of axis. So today we will learn transformation of axis. The weightage of this chapter is 4 marks. In transformation of axis, there are 2 categories are there. One is translation of axis. The other one is rotation of axis. If you identify the difference between translation and rotation, so the question will be easy to solve. So in translation, suppose this is your plane, x-axis, y-axis, and origin. In translation of axis, the origin will be shifted to from one place to another place. So here actually the origin coordinates are 0, 0. It moves to some other place here. Then the new coordinate system is like this. So the new coordinate, the shifted origin is called h, k, and the x-axis new becomes capital X-axis and y-axis new becomes capital Y-axis. So in translation of axis, origin is shifted to one place to another place. Axis will remain as it is. There is no change in axis. So when translation of axis is given, when origin is shifted to some other place is given, how the formulas will change. So new coordinate and old coordinate values we have to find out. Small x is equals to means old coordinate or original coordinate, x plus h. And small y is equals to capital Y plus k. For finding original coordinate, small x and small y values are what? Capital X plus h and capital Y plus k. If you want to find out new coordinates like capital X and capital Y, bring h to this side. Small x minus h and here small y minus k. Suppose if you want to find out shifted origin like h and k values. So small x minus capital H and small y minus capital Y. So these are the values you have to, formulas we have to learn when translation of axis is given. Next, rotation of axis. In rotation, if you observe, origin will remain same and x-axis is moves a little with some angle. So this becomes your new x-axis. And this is our y-axis. When x-axis moves a theta angle up, in the same way y-axis goes like this. So this is capital Y. Here what is extra? Theta is added, angle is added. When angle is added, how we have to find out small x, small y values and capital X, capital Y values? Simple, just by remembering this table. You need not by heart the formula. Just whenever translation of axis question is given, draw the table like this. Corner place, theta you take, and below the theta, take original coordinates like small x and small y. Beside, take capital X and capital Y. Below that, one value is cos theta, diagonal like cross cos theta and cos theta. and another diagonal, one is minus sine theta, the other one is sine theta. If you draw this table beside the question, any kind of formula, it is easy to write. I will show you how to remember the formulas here. Suppose if you want to write original value, small x value and small y value. See here, if you want to write small x, close small y. So what are you getting? Capital X cos theta. If you close small y, we are getting capital X cos theta. Symbol is minus and capital Y sin theta. Capital Y sin theta. Then similarly, if you want to write small y, then close small x, this upper part close, write capital X into sin theta. Capital X into sin theta. There is no symbol, means always it is plus. Plus y cos theta. Capital Y cos theta. Make sure small x and small capital X should be seen clearly. In the same way, suppose if you want to write capital X and capital Y value, then how? If you wanted to write capital X, close capital Y, close this part. Then write like this, x cos theta plus y sin theta. X cos theta plus y sin theta. So this becomes small x, let's read like this, small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. If you wanted to write capital Y, so close capital X. So x here minus symbol is there. So minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. If rotation of axis is given, this is the way of writing small x, capital X values and small y and capital Y values. Okay. Now, if questions are asked in this, so how you have to apply? One question will do with translation of axis, other will go for rotation of axis. The question will be asked like this. When the origin is shifted to the point, 2, 3, the transformed equation of the curve is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equals to 0. Find the original equation. Basically, 3 things you have to remember here. We have original, we have translation, 2 different words, and we have shifted origin. 3 different points are there to notice. Solution. See here, what is given? When the origin is shifted to the point. So this shifted origin is shifted. Shifted origin is called what? H comma K. So solution. Given shifted origin, H comma K value is given. How much is given? 2, 3. Then one equation will be given. What equation will be given? Question what is asking? Find the original equation. Always original will be in small letters and transformed will be in capital letters. So he is asking find the original equation, means the answer must be in small letters. So the given equation, obviously what should be there? Transformed equation will be there. The given transformed equation is always transformed equation must be in capital letter. In the question, even though if it is in small letter, we have to write in capital. So this becomes capital X square. Here, if you have a clarity, then equation is very easy to solve. Plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equals to 0. Now we have to replace this capital X and capital Y to get that original equation. So we know, what we know? Capital X is equals to small x minus h and capital Y is equals to small y minus k. Substitute the values. X minus h value is given 2 and capital Y is small y minus k value is given is what? 3. Substitute this x and y value in the given equation. Take this is equation 1. Therefore, the original equation we want. The original equation is, where to substitute this original equation value? In equation 1, wherever capital values are there, we have to substitute. See here. 1 implies x square. X square means x minus 2 whole square plus 3xy. 3 into x minus 2 into y minus 3. Minus 2y square. Minus 2 into y minus 3 whole square plus 17 into x minus 2 minus 7 into y minus 3 minus 11 is equals to 0. Come on, a minus b whole square. A square plus 2 square is 4 minus 2ab. 2 into x into 2 minus 4x plus 3 into, multiply both of them, x into y xy minus x into 3 minus 3x minus 2 into y minus 2y plus 6. First page on, second page. So I'll write the question, the last step again here. The equation was capital X square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equals to 0. So in this, substitute capital X and capital Y value. So capital X is equals to what we have? X minus 3, X minus 2, and capital Y is equals to Y minus 3. Substitute these values in this equation carefully. X minus 2 whole square plus 3 into x minus 2 into y minus 3 minus 2 into y minus 3 whole square plus 17 into x minus 2 minus 7 into y minus 3 minus 11 is equals to 0. Expand a minus b whole square, a square plus 2 square plus b square is 4 minus 2ab minus 4x. Keep 3 as it is, multiply both of them, x into y xy, x into minus 3 minus 3x, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6. Minus 2 into, expand a minus b whole square again, y square plus 9, 2 into y into 3, minus 6y, plus 17 into x minus 2, minus 7 into y minus 3, minus 11 is equal to 0. So x square plus 4 minus 4x, multiply with 3, plus 3xy, minus 9x, minus 6y, plus 18. Again open up this, minus 2y square, minus 18, plus 2 into 6, 12y, plus again 17 into x, 17x, minus 17 into 2, minus 34, minus 7 into y, minus 7y, minus 7 into minus 3, plus 21, minus 11 is equal to 0. Write in the order, first x square term, there is only one x square. Next y square term, minus 2y square. Then xy term, we have xy term also, plus 3xy. Next check with the constants. What are the constants? Minus 4x minus 9x, minus 13x, minus 13x plus 17x, plus 4x. Next, y terms you take, minus 6y plus 12y, plus 6y and minus 7y, minus y. Then constants, 4 plus 18 and minus 18 getting cancelled. 4 minus 34, minus 30, 21 minus 11 is 10, minus 30 plus 10 is minus 20. If you observe, the final equation is in small letters. So this is called what? The required original equation. The required original equation. Is the required original equation. So like how you have to go with the solution. So what type of question it is? When origin is shifted to some other place for finding the original equation when transformed equation is given. This is the way of solving. Now, suppose next, if original equation is given, how to find out transformed equation? That we have to learn. Another type of question. Question number 2. When the axes are rotated through an angle, alpha, find the transformed equation of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. So here what is given? Origin is not shifted here. The axes are rotated through an angle alpha. So it is second type of question. The solution goes like this. Find the transformed equation he is asking. So what does it mean? The given equation is original equation. In solution, we have to write given original equation. Given original equation. What it is? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. And what else is given? Given that angle theta is equals to alpha. When theta angle is given, immediately draw this table. Theta, small x, small y, capital X, capital Y. Need not go for entire one. C bole to cos. And if it is minus, if it is S, treat it as sin. Now, we want to convert small x and small y into capital X and capital Y. So for that small x formula from this table, if you want to write small x, close small y. So x cos theta minus y sin theta. If you close this, what are we getting? X cos theta minus y sin theta. Similarly, small y is equals to what we have? Close small x sin theta plus y cos theta. X sin theta plus y cos theta. Take this is equation 1. Go to equation 1 and substitute. Substitute small x and small y in equation 1. So 1 implies, what is equation 1? X cos alpha, x cos alpha. X means capital X cos theta minus y sin theta whole cos alpha plus, this is minus y sin theta. What is our small y value? X sin theta plus y cos theta into sin alpha is equals to P. Multiply the entire part with cos alpha and the other term in sin alpha. If you multiply, we get x cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So replace theta with alpha. So this becomes theta and this is also theta. Okay. Now come on. X cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta minus y sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta minus x sin theta into sin theta, x sin square theta minus into plus minus y cos theta into sin theta is y cos theta sin theta is equals to P. Any cancellation? Minus y cos theta sin theta plus y cos theta sin theta getting cancelled. Then left out terms are what? X cos square theta plus x sin square theta is equals to P. Take x common. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to P. We know from trigonometry cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So capital X is equals to P. Given equation is small x, that is original equation. But after simplified, we got in capital X. It means this is transformed equation. So conclusion is the required transformed equation. Is the required transformed equation. This is also one of the important questions. Next, question number 3. The same when angle is given, how to find out the original equation. Question number 3. The question goes like this. When the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, when the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, the transformed equation of a curve is the transformed equation of a curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equals to 225. Find the original equation. Question is, we have to find the original equation. Find the original equation. The same again. What is given? Angle 45 degrees is given and transformed equation is given. He is asking original equation. So solution given that theta is equals to 45 degrees and given transformed equation. Which equation it is? Given transformed equation. 17, it must be capital letters. 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equals to 225. We have to convert capital X and Y into small x and y by using our table. Theta, small x, small y, capital X, capital Y, cos, minus sin and sin. So change capital X is equals to what can we write? Close capital Y. So it is small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. Similarly, write capital Y, close capital X, minus small x sin theta plus small y cos theta. But given that theta is equals to what? 45 degrees. So x into cos 45 degrees plus y into sin 45 degrees. X into cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Y into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So if you take common denominator, small x plus y by root 2, this is of what? Capital X value. Next again, capital Y is equals to minus x into sin 45 degrees plus y into cos 45 degrees. So minus x into sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus y into cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Write the common denominator root 2 minus x plus y. This is of capital Y. Now substitute these two values in equation 1. Go to equation 1 and substitute. Substitute capital X and capital Y in equation 1. 1 implies, what is 1? 17 capital X square. 17 into capital X value, small x plus y by root 2 whole square minus 16xy. 16 x value, capital X value, x plus y by root 2 and capital value minus x plus y by root 2 plus 17y square, y again minus x plus y by root 2 whole square is equals to 225. 17 into expand a plus b whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy by root 2 whole square is 2 minus 16 into, you can take a plus b into a minus b format. If you do not understand, just directly simple multiplication. X into minus x square, x into plus y xy, plus y into minus x xy, plus y into y plus y square by root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus 17 into, again this is 1 minus is there, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by root 2 whole square is 2 is equals to what it is? 225. Take LCM. It is the common denominator. 2 is the common denominator. Open up with 17. 17x square plus 17y square plus 17 2s are 34xy. Multiply with minus, minus into minus plus 16x square minus here xy and xy cancel minus 16y square plus 17x square plus 17y square minus 34xy is equals to 225. Take the x square term, 17x square plus 16x square, 33x square, 33 plus 17x square, it is 50x square. Next, minus 34xy plus 34xy cancel, y square term, 17y square minus 16y square, 1y square 1 plus 17y square is 18y square divided by 2 is equal to 225. If you take 2 common in the numerator, 25x square plus 9y square whole by 2 is equal to 225. Here 2 and 2 getting cancelled. So 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225. You can leave up to here, but to convert into a hyperbola equation, divide the entire equation by 225 because only x square and y square terms are there. Whenever you get such kind of equation, so make constant is 1. 25x square by 225 plus 9y square by 225 is equal to 225 by 225. So 25 ones are 25 nines are 9 ones are 9 25s are 225 and 225 getting cancelled. Therefore, what is the final equation? X square by 9 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1 is the required original equation. Is the required original equation. So like how you have to solve the question when angle is given, when shifted angle is given. These are the ways to do. Once again, go through this question. Question is given as axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees. The transformed equation of the curve is given. Find the original equation. In that, angle is theta, 45 degrees is given. With the box, convert the capital X and capital Y value. Substitute angle is 45. So we know cos 45 degrees and sin 45 degrees values 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. After getting capital X and capital Y, substitute the transformed equation and simplify by using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula. Then the rest of the equation you will be getting as what? Original equation. Next. So this is how about transformation of axis. There is one theorem is there. If you are interested, you can practice that theorem also. You can expect as a question or theorem here. The next one, straight line. Next chapter it is straight line. This is the very most weighted chapter. One 7-mark question, one 4-mark question, and one 2-mark question is there. So in this 7 marks, most of the chances ortho center will be there. Yes, circumcenter will be there. 90%. This is one kind of expectation. Another kind, when angle and one vertex and one side of a triangle is given, how to find out the other side? This is another set of questions. So either you get the question from here or you can get question from here. But by studying this, you cannot neglect this. Both if you focus, you can expect any one 7-mark question. And you can, if you feel it is difficult, you can leave as a choice of 4-mark question, but you have to focus 2-mark questions. So today we'll discuss a few 2-mark questions, like basic formula will be given. Like today, I will explain the formula. Slope. When 2 points are given, what is slope? Generally, slope is denoted by m. When 2 vertices are given, slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. With this one question will be asked like this. When slope is given, how to find out the unknown value? That is either x or whatever the unknown letter is there. The question is like this, 2-mark question. Question wise, I will write the formula. The first question is like this. Find the value of x basic formulas, if you know, it is easy to get 2 marks. Find the value of x. If the slope of a line, if the slope of a line passes through or passing through two comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. Read the question so that easily you can understand what is given and what we have to find out. We have to find out the unknown value, that is x. For that, what is given? Slope of a line passing through 2 points. So 2 points are given. The slope is also given. So when 2 points are given, what is slope formula? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So first, given point. First point, take it as A is equals to 2 comma 5. Second point, take it as B is equals to x comma 3. Now apply given condition. What is given condition? Given that slope of a line passing through these two points we have taken as what? A and B. So given that slope of AB, how much is given? 2. What is slope of AB formula? Write formula here. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to 2. Always take A point is x1, y1 and B point is x2, y2. Substitute y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5 by x2 minus x1, x minus 2 is equals to 2. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by x minus 2 is equals to 2. Calculation you can do on your own way. Minus 2, I am interchanging these two. Minus 2 by 2 is equals to x minus 2. 2 getting cancelled. Minus 1 is equals to x minus 2. Bring minus 1 to this side. Minus 1 plus 2 is equals to x. Therefore, x is equals to 1. By using simple slope formula, easily you can get x value. You can get full marks of 2 marks. So in straight line, 7 mark, getting 7 mark is easy and getting 2 marks also very easy by learning a basic formula. Next, question number 2. Find the value of y. Find the value of y this is another type. Find the value of y if the line joining if the line joining 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the line joining the point minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Here points, many points are showing here, but not to worry. A simple question. We have to find out the value of y. For that, what is given? The line joining these 2 points are parallel to the line joining of these 2 points. So, 2 different set of points are there. So, solution, let first 2 points take A and B. A is equals to 3 comma y and B is equals to 2 comma 7. And another set take C and D. C is equals to minus 1 comma 4 and D is equals to 0 comma 6. The line joining AB is parallel to the line joining CD. This is your AB line, A and B. And this is your CD line. Are parallel. Parallel ka condition is like this, right? When we say 2 lines are parallel, when their slopes are equal. So here given that. Directly you can write slope of AB is equals to slope of CD. Slope of AB is equals to slope of CD. Slope of AB formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to here also same y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. But in AB, A point is x1 y1, B point is x2 y2. Substitute x2 minus x1 7 minus y by y2 minus y1 2 minus 3 is equal to slope of CD. C point is x1 y1 and D point is x2 y2. So it is 6 minus 4 by 0 minus of minus 1. You can write minus of minus 1 or directly you can write plus 1. So 7 minus y by 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 6 minus 4, 2 by 1. Cross multiply. 7 minus y is equals to minus 2. Bring the negative term minus 2 this side, it becomes plus 2. Take minus y to the right side, it is plus y. Therefore, what is y? 9. The mostly you have to understand the question in 1B. If you understand the question, it is very easy. The concept is very easy. Either slope or parallel lines or perpendicular lines or angle, such kind of words only will be there in straight line. So, if you remember basic formula, better marks you will be getting. So, this is of a second type question. And one last question. One more question. Before going to that question, if a straight line is there, AX plus BY plus C is the general straight line. Okay. What is area? Area is equal to, there are 2 ways to write, C square by 2 mod AB. If the straight line is in the form of AX plus BY plus C is equals to 0, area of a line is what? C square by 2 mod AB. Suppose, if the given equation is in intercept form, like x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Even though you can write area. Area is equals to half mod AB. Don't get confused. When 3 vertices are there, area is different. When single straight line is given, area formula is different. So this is 2 marks question you can say. So if ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, area is equals to c square by 2 mod AB. And x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, then area is equals to half mod AB. So like this, you have to solve the question. So here, one question I am going to explain. So question number 3. If question is asked like this, find area of triangle. Find area of triangle formed by the coordinate axis. Formed by the coordinate axis. with the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. One straight line is given. He is asking area of triangle. Immediately you have to remember the formula. If straight line is in the form of ax plus by plus c. So solution goes like this. Given line is what? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, bring P to this side, minus P is equals to 0. Here you write is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, area formula, area is equals to p square by 2 mod AB. X coefficient is A, Y coefficient is B, and constant is C. Come on, C value what we have? Minus P whole square. You have to take along with the sign. 2 mod AB. A is cos alpha and B is sin alpha. Come on, P square by 2 cos alpha sin alpha. Just use one more formula here. P square by, we know trigonometric basic formula. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. In the same way, 2 sin alpha cos alpha we can write sin 2 alpha. One more step to go. P square into reciprocal of sin is what? Cosecant. So 1 by sin 2 alpha we can write cosecant 2 alpha. So what is area of the triangle given by the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P is P square into cosecant 2 alpha. So by C, if you can observe, the two lines are the given line and one is the formula and the two steps are simplified form. If you learn the formula and the substitution, at least you will be getting 2 marks, right? So always in math, the formulas are very important. Try to focus on the formulas. So in the next class, I'll be teaching orthocenter, circumcenter and LAQs of the straight line. We'll continue the class tomorrow. Thank you.